Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making Jamaican Escovitch Fish. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Onion, carrot, scallion, ginger, tomato, sweet pepper, bell peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, garlic, apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, jerk seasoning, black pepper, butter, cooking wine, seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, and my red snapper fish. I'm gonna season my fish, but before I season my fish, I'm gonna let you know what I did prior to seasoning. What I did, I clean off the extra scale from the fish, and I soak it in the apple cider vinegar and from last night. And then what I did, I washed it off, drain it, pat it dry, and then I put a little salt in it and then put it in my fridge for overnight. Now this is ready to be seasoned. So what I did, I combined all the powdered seasoning in this little bowl. It's like half a teaspoon of all the powdered seasoning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my hand to rub the season in. And you can see it has the fish. They put it to, I asked them at the store to just slit it a little and both side, and that's what happened. And then I'm gonna open the cavity and put the like this. Open the cavity, put it here. You know, you don't have to put a lot of seasoning in it. And as you can see that I don't incorporate any salt in my seasoning, my ingredients today, because some of majority of these powdered season salt very salty, so I kind of eliminate the salt for now. Maybe after I'm gonna do my my herbs and vegetable, then I'll put a little salt in it if it's needed, but for now no salt. Okay, so that's it for my seasoning of my fish. I'm gonna cover this and put it aside and then take care of my vegetable and herb. Now I'm gonna do my chopping, and I'm gonna start with my garlic, because usually the garlic is the hardest and the ginger to cut. So I'm gonna start with my garlic. Oops. It will dissolve. So I'm gonna put the garlic in this little container, going in my pot. So I'm gonna put it in this as well. I'm gonna do my onion. Kind of my decoration. I'm gonna do it. So let me do this. Nice. Okay, for my tomato. My peppers. Go here. Then my bell peppers. One be carrot. I'm gonna do it this way and then this way. This. Okay. I think this carrot is enough. And then my scallion. So here, I'm gonna leave this here for, let me just cut it in two. It will be cut up for my decoration. So here, I'm gonna do this. And over here. For now, I'm not gonna burst this pepper because this pepper is extremely hot and spicy, extremely hot. So in order for me to enjoy my meal, I'm gonna have to wait until maybe the end of my cooking. Then I burst and let out a little of the juice in it. I'm also gonna drop one in my oil when I'm frying the fish, so you know, that's another thing. This scallion is for my decoration. So what I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna put a little, take off the leaf off the sprig of the thyme and put it in here, because all of this is gonna be in the skillet at the same time, so that's why I kind of divide them up. Okay, this is ready. But now I'm gonna start frying my fish. I placed a green pepper in my hot oil, and that's to give my fish that nice flavor. So it's not burnt, it's just the way it is. Whole pepper, and you're gonna give the oil a nice flavor, which the fish gonna inherit that flavor from the oil. This is my first fish in my oil that's frying, and I put one in there because I don't want it to stick together. So this is the biggest one, so I put it by itself, and then the next time I'm going to put the rest in there. And you're going to turn it when it's golden brown. You just have to look at it and see, you know, and figure out, you know, when to turn it. I'm not going to put a specific time on it because maybe it's not ready to be turned. So you just have to use your own discretion when turning the fish. But it has to be golden brown on both sides. So this is my other batch. This is 2 of them. Frying away. Like I said, you have to just pay attention as to when it's ready to be turned, and just turn it really when it's golden brown, like my finish. This is my finished product here of my fried fish right here. It's golden brown. So this is what I'm trying to get over here. Golden brown fish. Okay, my fish is finished fried. So now I'm going to make my Escovitch dressing, and that's going to be all my ingredients. That's right here. Okay, so now what I did, some of the oil that I use to fry my fish, I kind of strain it off, and this is what I'm going to use to make my Escovitch dressing. So I'm going to pour some of the oil that I used to fry my fish here. And my pot is cold, so I'm gonna put it on medium. So I'm gonna wait a little bit more for my pot to get hot, and then I'm gonna pour my thyme, my diced onion, and my garlic and my ginger first, and let it saute a bit or sear a little bit before I put in. Now then I'm going to put my carrots in and let it steam down for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll add my additional vegetable and herb. This is my fish. As you can see, they're golden brown and ready and waiting to be dressed up. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour everything in, and you have to be careful for the garlic, because garlic easily burn and it will get bitter. Add a little bit of my powdered seasoning in there as well. So and now I'm gonna place a little vinegar, like 1 teaspoon of vinegar to my I'm gonna use the apple cider vinegar. This is half a teaspoon. I don't want it to be too acidy, so I'm gonna put 2. Enough vinegar in there. Oh, this smells so good. Usually I would use red wine, but I don't want to open a bottle of red wine right now, so I'm going to use the cooking white wine. So I'm going to put like 1, 2, 1.5 teaspoons of white cooking wine. While this is simmering down, I'm gonna add my carrot, and the carrot is the hardest one to cook, to steam, so I'm gonna add them in. Add them in. So I'm gonna cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, because maybe a teaspoon of water, just for the carrots to be steam. Just for the carrot to steam a little bit. You don't want the carrot to be too hard. Okay. And cover over it. Now I'm gonna take a look at it again, and now the carrot. I'm gonna also add my tomato in there. And you can see that even here. Now I'm gonna put the rest of my seasoning, my vegetable and herb. So you can see the pepper. Now, so now is the time I'm gonna put my the rest of my seasoning, powdered seasoning. I'm gonna add my butter. Butter. Can't believe it's butter. I'm trying to do, you know, stay on the outside. So it's about 2 teaspoons of butter. Turn them over. So now I'm going to give it another 5 minutes to sear for a little while, and then take it from there. Well, this is my Escovitch dressing, and now I'm gonna plate it. So I'm not gonna put it back in the pot, my fish in the pot. I'm just gonna put it and then pour it over it. So stay tuned. So this is how I'm gonna plate my fish. So first of all, bring it up a little. And I'm gonna put my stuff on it like that. So that's typically how you would plate do your Escovitch fish. And this is the Escovitch dressing. Okay. So this is the finished product of my Jamaican Escovitch fish. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!